How to fix Snapchat not working and cannot send or receive Snap. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually fix if your Snapchat is not working and you can't either send or receive messages. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. The fix number one is to make sure you have actually updated your Snapchat app. So head over to your app store. In the search box you can simply type in Snapchat and then go ahead and check whether the Snapchat app has an update available or not. If it does have an update available, go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we've updated Snapchat, if this works for you and you can start sending messages and snaps to others, then that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, the other thing we want to make sure is that we want to open settings and then we want to look for the option called apps. So go ahead and tap on the apps button right over here. As you tap on apps, it will open this right over here. Again, what you want to do is simply open the app called Snapchat again. So go ahead and tap on Snapchat. You want to go to this section right over here which says permissions. So go ahead and simply tap on this permissions tab. Once you tap on permissions here, you want to make sure you have actually allowed the camera access right over here. Make sure you have allowed camera access as well as contacts, files and media, and all of the permissions the Snapchat apps requires in order for it to function properly. And if that is fixes the issue, because in which most of the time it does fix the issue, because what happens is that Snapchat app lacks permission and it will not be able to load the snaps. The other thing is that you can come back and then again tap on apps and then Snapchat. This time you want to go ahead and tap on this button which says storage and cache. So go ahead and simply tap on storage and cache option. As you tap on storage and cache, first of all what you want to do is simply try to clear the cache, and after that you want to simply try to clear the storage. So go ahead and follow those steps accordingly. Tap on clear cache button and tap on clear storage and then delete your app data, and then go ahead and relog into your Snapchat app, re-allow all of the permissions, and hopefully that fixes the issue. We hope one of these issues may have fixed your issue. If it did help you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.